Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get free Airbnb gift cards. This is very easy, very simple, so just make sure you follow along with a couple quick steps and we'll get you that gift card. Also guys, I'm giving away a Galaxy S10. If you would like to win this, all you have to do is like the video, comment why you deserve it, make sure you're subscribed, and use my referral link in the description below. Alright, so you can now see I'm on moneyguru.ws/rewards, and if you want to check out the rewards page, you can go to this right here. But the main thing is moneyguru.ws. Just go ahead and type that in your browser, and I'll show you all through here. You can get like some American Express, Visa, or like store gift cards like Best Buy. You can get food gift cards, game gift cards, especially down here at the bottom. There's a lot of like games and stuff, but that's very cool. And I'm going to show y'all how to do this. So go ahead and click on login. And if you I've already logged in, so it'll take me to my dashboard. But what you need to do is make an account or sign into an existing account, and then you'll be taken to your dashboard. And it won't really look anything like mine, but maybe after a couple of months it will. But you can see I've made $7,767 from this. It's super easy to do, and I'll walk y'all through how to do that. But let me show you around here. So this is my referral link right here, and you can see it says share and earn 20 cents for every click. That's if somebody clicks on it, like if you post it in like a Discord or send it to your friends and they click on it, you get 20 cents. And then if those friends sign up with your link, then you get $5 for that. There's also a chat. You can chat with people, see what's going on. And there's a monthly leaderboard, see how much see how much someone has made on this month. Now, I'm going to walk you through the $5 task wall, and you can complete surveys here. And I'm going to walk y'all through how to do that. Just go ahead and click on Earn 5, and then click on Earn 5 again. Now, it's going to ask you a couple of simple questions. Just go ahead and answer those, and then it'll ask your email. I've already done this, so my email's already put in. Make sure your email is real. If not, you will not be credited the money. They'll check, and if it's not real, then you won't get the money. Now, um, it's going to ask some more simple information. I've already got it put in there because I have already done this. But if you need to, go ahead and pause the video and you can fill this out. I'm going to go ahead and continue though. Once you see this, it means your info has checked out correctly. And as I said with the email, make sure all this info is correct. If not, you will not be credited the $5. So that's a crucial point. Everything has to be real. Now, it'll ask you a couple questions. Just answer those questions, quick little survey, and then once those are done, you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so once you're here, make sure this is all correct. If not, again, you will not be credited the money. Go ahead and click I confirm and continue. Okay, now this should bring us to a graphic here, and we will land on the deals page. Okay, so once you have gotten to the deals page, all you have to do is complete one silver deal. And what that is you can choose any one of these here and complete this, and then your money will be credited to your account. But I'm going to go on back here, and I am going to show you my payments that I've gotten so far. So I use PayPal to withdraw, but you can also use like Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Ethereum, almost anything. You can get paid a check if you really wanted to, but I just use PayPal, and you can see right here all this money that I've received. I do it every month. I find that's easiest for me. I just go every like a month at once, or excuse me, I just choose the 21st of every month to do it. I just find that's just easiest for me. All right, and so here's how you can get the gift cards. You can use your balance to withdraw gift cards too if you would like. You don't necessarily have to do it through PayPal or Venmo and that stuff, but here are the gift cards right here. Again, just a bunch of games, bunch of stores, and a bunch of, like food places you can go. But super simple to do. Just do a couple surveys, and we'll be getting you that gift card. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, just make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that stuff. But if you did have any issues or concerns with this video, make sure you leave a comment in the section below, and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. Also guys, don't forget I'm giving away the Galaxy S10. If you would like to win this, again, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below why you deserve it, make sure you're subscribed, and use my referral link found in the description below.